In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to change graphic settings in NBA 2K26. First of all, we need to go to the feature section. Under it, we need to go to video settings, and from video settings, we need to scroll down a little bit until we find an option called overall quality. You can see here it is. We need to go in it, and from here you can choose the graphic quality you wanna have. So I'm just gonna go for medium. Then if you wanna adjust some more settings, then just go over advanced quality settings, and under it you'll see bunch of settings such as shader, shadow, play detail quality, cloth simulation. So bunch of settings are available here. You can adjust them as needed, and once you adjust them, then just go back from here. If you wanna have ray tracing enabled, then for that you can go to ray tracing reflections, and you can turn that on from here. Once you do your changes, then it will ask you to restart your game. Once you restart it, the graphic settings will be applied on your game. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.